In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in ActiveCampaign. We'll walk through this together from the very first click so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have a simple working automation that you can customize for your own email marketing or customer journeys. First, log in to your ActiveCampaign account and look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu. Find and click on Automations. This is the main area where all of your workflows live, and where you'll be building anything that runs on autopilot. Once you're inside the Automations section, look to the top right corner for a blue button that says Create an Automation. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the creation wizard and starts the process of building your new automation. ActiveCampaign will show you a few different options or templates, but for full control, choose Start from Scratch. This is perfect when you want to design the flow exactly the way you like it. After you select Start from Scratch, click Continue to move on. Now you'll be asked to select a trigger. The trigger is what tells ActiveCampaign when to start the automation for a specific contact. Common triggers include things like subscribes to a list, which is great when someone joins your newsletter, or tag is added, which is useful if you tag contacts after they download something or complete an action. Choose the trigger that best matches how you want contacts to enter this automation, adjust any options that appear, and then confirm by clicking Add Start. This locks in the starting point for your workflow. Next, you'll see the Visual Workflow Builder. This is where you design what actually happens after the trigger fires. Hover near the starting step and click the plus icon, the small plus button. This opens a menu of actions you can add. From here, pick the type of action you want. For example, send an email if you want to send a message right away, wait if you want to delay the next step for a certain amount of time, or if else if you want to branch your automation based on conditions, like whether someone opened an email or has a particular tag. You can repeat this process using the plus icon to build out as many steps as you need in your automation. When you're happy with your setup and everything looks correct in the workflow, look again to the top right of the screen and find the toggle labeled Active. Switch this on to activate your automation. Once it's active, anyone who meets your trigger conditions will automatically start moving through the steps you've created.